in your mind, listen, I wish I could answer questions quicker. I wish I could do this. And I'm saying there's tips and there's ways to do that. But the first thing I like people to realize is maybe the issue of communication isn't as terrible as it seems in my mind. Because when you ask other people outside, they're like, no, it's okay. And then, yeah, of course, there's ways that you can, you know, be more interactive or whatever. What you could do, for example, just as a practical tip, like if I take a long time to think about something, you can communicate that. So I remember Sheikh Muhammad al-Sharif, rahimahullah, he's one of those guys who I would ask him a question and he would just go quiet. And sometimes I'm wondering, like, did you even hear the question? But what he would do is he would say, you know what, let me think about that and I'll get back to you. So one of the things I would do is I would actually like try and communicate that I'm thinking about it. So if you ask me a really tough question and I don't know the answer or I'm thinking about it, I'll be like, give me a minute just to think about it. And as soon as you say that, give me a minute to think about that, you communicate to the other person, hey, I heard what you had to say. I'm trying to process and think about this right now. Okay? And that person then goes into very patient mode because they know, oh, he's just thinking about it. He's going to be a minute and he's going to then say something. And then that kind of takes the pressure off you as well, that, hey, I don't need to answer this guy within 1 second. The second element is actually the reason why a lot of people have these issues is because they are filtering themselves, right? So there is a lack of trust that you have with yourself about just going out there. And so part of the issue with a lot of people, especially when they're taking time from stuff to go to there, it's because they're filtering too much. And so you need to ask yourself, why am I filtering this? Do I not trust myself in what I say? And even if I say something wrong, so what? So the kind of tips I'm saying to you, one is just reassess your own communication. Okay, know that it's okay to take a little bit of time. Communicate if you need time to kind of think and stuff. And then fourthly, think about the kind of filters and the reasons why you're filtering when you're speaking.